Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I quickly wanted to give you an update on my Cinocrasula indica. If you remember in my last video, it was very dehydrated and wrinkled. After the video, I went ahead and did a complete watering until the water was passing through the drain hole, and then I let it dry. Now, because the soil was loose, the roots were healthy, hence you can see the succulent has plumped up, and I eventually started introducing it to morning direct sunlight. So right now it is in morning direct sunlight, and you can also see the colors have started to show up. So I'll quickly show you the comparison video as well, because if you might have not seen that video, I'll put the clip of how it looked earlier on the left hand side, because right now you can see it is very well hydrated. The colors are showing up, but here, as you can see on the screen, how it looked earlier, there was a lot of wrinkles. The colors were not very evident. And right now, after exposing it to morning direct sunlight, I had to go through the entire process of acclimation. I had to do a very slow introduction, because if I would have done a sudden introduction, the succulent would have definitely got burnt. But now, as you can see, it's doing quite well. I love the colors on this. It's very different compared to our other succulents. It has a very purplish tone to it, probably indica. That's why it's called as indica. So the color looks absolutely beautiful. Now over here, it is a clump. I was thinking of separating it, but probably I'll do it sometime later. Another important thing, what you can see is the succulent has kind of gone down into the pot. That's the reason, because usually when we tend to have our soil mix, it is very loose and it's very porous, it's very gritty. So even at times when I tend to fill the soil completely up till the brim of the pot, but when we tend to water it over the period of time, the volume of the soil in the pot starts to reduce, which is again very common. So over here, what I'll have to do is, whenever I'm doing the separation of the pup or the second head, I will have to add in a little bit more soil, so that the succulent is at least at the surface of the pot and not quite deep. It's not very deep right now in the pot, but still I do not prefer it to be that low in the pot. So that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.